Oh my god.
Oh
Look.
dear.
એટલે બધા અલગ-અલગ plant છે. This is all banana plant.
All banana.
Yes.
Look, 2 months. How you call this variety?
G9 variety. This is
G9
G9.
variety.
Grind
It's a
nine.
Grand 9 variety.
Grind 9 variety.
And we are exporting this in this media.
Cocoa media.
Yes.
Yeah, like this. They are exporting like this.
Ah, they will
Yeah.
export like this.
Okay. We
This
can
is
export like-
coconut based.
Yeah,
This
this
is
is a
not
coconut base because
Mabuhay Philippines!
Namaste India.
Bimbo Cornejo
Vlogs.
Please subscribe to our channel!
Like and share. Salamat. So hello, good morning guys. We are here at to visit the farm. But this is not ordinary farm. This is, I can say, high-tech farm.
New way of farming.
New way of farming. So let's see guys. We 2 people are sitting here.
Our friend, new friend.
New friend. And they are the owner of this farm. They are both partner. So let me introduce them. Okay. તમારું નામ શું છે? What is your name if you don't
I
mind?
am Manish Patel.
Manish Patel.
Manish Patel.
I am Vishal Patel.
Vishal Patel.
So since when you started this business? From when?
Since 2019.
2019.
I started this laboratory. This tissue culture laboratory. We are the producing tissue culture plants.
Yes.
In this laboratory. This is a production laboratory, not testing laboratory. It's a
Okay.
production laboratory.
So what are your products here? I mean seedlings.
Yes, we are now producing tissue culture banana plants, tissue culture guava, and tissue culture pomegranates, tissue culture bambusa balkua, and many more other crops.
But your specialty is for banana or you,
Banana and bambusa balkua.
those two?
Two,
Okay.
So this is not ordinary bamboo. It is different bamboo. They will show us.
Like this.
Like this. This is a tissue culture bambusa. We are producing tissue culture plants from a small piece of plants.
Plant.
Bamboo,
Yes.
yeah, variety.
In 10-month period and many more plants, about 1,000 plants from a small piece
Small.
of bamboo.
Bamboo.
Oh,
So they are
okay.
producing from tissue like 1,000 bamboo. So that is
It's
amazing.
quite complicated because this is
Very complicated.
totally new for me.
Yes.
Look guys, so we
Tomorrow
are
profession, which your profession was
I
in the
am microbiologist.
oh, okay.
microbiology.
અને તમે?
I am a master of pharmacy.
Master of
Pharmacy. And now in
We both are from different background.
Background.
Yes,
But you
we choose
started.
it. Yes.
Started.
so you are partner, business
Yes,
partner.
we are a partner.
Okay.
So do you have any branches here, like more branches?
No.
No.
One branch only.
This is one.
This is only.
Not branch only. One.
This is.
Yes.
But like this laboratory, like advanced laboratory, do you have in Gujarat?
Yes, apart from this, there is 12 to 13 laboratories. This type of.
So we have advanced strength.
12 laboratory like this, company
Yes.
like this.
Yes.
All right.
So how many employees do you have approximately here?
About 45 to 50 employees working now in this laboratory.
They all are local from the local area.
Okay.
We do first 3 months of training to this employee, and then we hire him.
For that, they don't need basic knowledge yes,
No,
about
that's not
farming.
necessary.
You give training
So-
and according
Yes,
to that they
yes,
work.
yes.
So they will learn from zero here.
From
Zero until
zero
Yes,
knowledge
yes,
they
yes,
will
yes,
learn.
yes.
Because
Ah.
this is different totally
Yes,
than
they
normal
totally
farming,
blend
yes.
for this kind of industries. Yes, we put money and time on here
For
then,
training.
Yeah, for training,
Ah,
and
okay.
then they can learn how to work here.
Mhm.
Yes.
So I can ask, what is the main benefit of having this tissue, planting?
Main benefit is uniformity of all plants. all plants when these plants plantation in the farm, then produce the same quality of fruiting and same quality
Oh,
of
from tissue. From
yes.
tissue, it will produce same.
Same.
Copy paste.
yes, copy paste.
Even you're talking about the production, yeah?
Production, all
Production.
kind of same kind of production in all crops.
Simple language, we can say that we are doing Xerox copy of the plants.
Yeah.
Yes. So whatever the mother genomes in the plants, mother plants, we are doing that same production of the plants.
So you can predict the production.
Yes, we can predict 100% similar result of that plant
Okay.
from similar fruits, similar yield, similar height, whatever it is a Xerox copy.
Xerox copy.
Yes.
So that is good. This plant has a prone to disease.
No, disease free and virus free plants produced in our laboratory.
That's why you are putting them in very non-contaminated
Yes,
area.
yes, yes.
So
We
Total
do.
produced in sterile area.
Yes,
Sterile
we,
area.
for confirmation of that virus free, we do the testing of these plant with approved laboratory, and after getting the approval that this is a virus free plants, we put it in the market. If it's with virus, we are destroying that plants. But right now, in past up to now, it never happened like that.
So let's say from nursery this plant, yes. No, from tissue this plant until go to nursery to sell. How many months?
12 months period.
12-month period
Yes, sir.
from tissue
But
until
same. It depend the variety
Yes,
or
it depend on
variety.
Yes.
All right.
For banana plants, it will take about 10 to 12 months. For bamboo plants, it will take 2 years
Oh.
because 8 to 9 months it in laboratory. It takes in laboratory. After 3 months, it is growing in greenhouse. After that, for 10 to 12 months, it will grow in net house.
My God. So it's
After that,
long
we can,
process.
Yes, after that we can put it in a market. This is the thing of for bamboo.
So do you think this is good income business? Do you think?
Yes, if we put our 100%.
But you need your
Yes.
physical presence as
Yes,
well
yes,
and mind. They
yes,
say.
physical mind and physical presence.
So what do you want to send to message to local farmer about this high tech?
Yes.
Do you want to say any message?
Yes,
to-
we have message all farmer plant tissue culture plants for more yield and uniform production. That's why
It is
all-
100% farming.
farming in tissue culture. Greenhouse.
So we will
can
visit.
visit
Yeah.
our greenhouse and non-sterile area also.
Area.
Okay, yeah,
So
please,
let's
please.
go. We
So-
are ready. So we are going now at the non-sterile area first. So let's see media preparation.
Guys, this is the media preparation room. Okay.
This is non-sterile area.
Media preparation room. Here we are produce food for tissue culture plants.
Food.
We are making a artificial land. We can say this is a artificial land.
Artificial land, yeah?
Yes,
Or,
yes.
or artificial soil.
Yes, yes, yes. Whatever the nutrients are there in land, actual land, we are mixing this by the salt with different kind of chemicals.
Like sodium, potassium, nitrogen,
Yes.
ammonia.
Yes.
Oh.
And you will put inside the bottle.
Yes, we are putting this inside of this bottle, and after filling this, we are doing the sterilization.
Okay.
This is
Autoclave.
This is sterilization machine.
This is autoclave.
After they prepare land, they are doing sterilization. Oh, big machine.
This is you mean
Autoclave machine.
you mean the bottle you will put all the bottle
Yes.
inside to sterilize.
Yes.
Yeah.
120 degree for half an hour.
But how many bottles inside this machine?
1,800.
Oh my God. For how many hours it will stay there?
1.5 years, half hour.
1.5 hour only.
Yes,
So for how many bottles? For
1,800.
1,800. Okay. So guys, this is new way of farming.
This is
Okay.
bottle washing area.
Bottle rinsing
Bottle
room.
rinsing. Here we are rinsing with the RO water.
RO water.
You mean after this machine they will?
ના
No,
મશીન
no.
પછી ક્યાં જશે?
First bottle washing, then
Ah.
media preparation,
This is the bottle
this is-
washing area. First
okay.
you wash the bottle here.
And then
And
then
then
heat
you-
this one
yeah.
and then
Yeah,
sterilize.
yeah,
All
sterilize.
right. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the first procedure. Yeah.
Yes,
First procedure.
washing the bottle.
Washing the bottle. Okay. So guys, we're going now to greenhouse. The owner is taking us there. This
I'm
is
very,
the this is the factory. Look.
This is like
Sri Ratnam Biotech LLP.
Sri Ratnam Biotech LLP.
Okay.
It is like artificial womb they are creating, like surrogacy.
Oh.
Yes,
this
yes,
is-
100%.
Yes,
It's like a test tube baby.
Yes, tested babies.
Yes.
They are creating in my medical ward.
Yes, yes, yes.
For,
Oh my God.
oh
look.
dear.
એટલે બધા અલગ અલગ પ્લાન્ટ છે, different plant.
फक्त banana plants है.
This is all banana plant.
All banana.
Yes.
Go to that.
Hmm. Yeah.
Look.
एकदम
Look.
Okay.
zoom zoom.
Hmm. This sir, this is how many months now?
Is
This size.
2 months.
2 months.
Yes, 2 months.
Okay. Look, oh, 2 months. How you call this variety?
G9 variety. This is
G9
G9.
variety.
Grind
It's the
nine.
Grand 9 variety.
Grind 9 variety. This is what I am buying outside.
yes. You
Yes,
can also
yes,
yes.
yes, yes, yes.
Ah.
Okay.
And we are exporting this in this media.
Cocoa media.
Yes.
Yeah, like this. They are exporting like, this.
Ah, they will
Yeah.
export like this.
Okay. We
This
can
is
export like-
coconut based.
Yeah,
this
this is a
not
coconut base because some
Ah.
countries are not allowing us to
Soil.
send the
This,
soil.
is, this is the coconut base. Yeah.
Yes, this is a coconut base.
And the weight is very very light. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the size you are exporting.
yes,
This is the
yes,
size.
yes,
oh,
Do you
exactly.
think
okay.
exporting is very expensive for them?
Not expensive.
Pardon?
Like very expensive to export the plant to other
No, no,
country?
no, 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 no.
No,
It's not like
Let's
that.
say our viewers, some of them, if they want.
Yes,
They-
we can export at very reasonable rate.
Reasonable.
Yes,
But it-
we have to calculate the transportation because in this pandemic situation, there is always a different transportation we have to
Charges.
give.
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
But they have minimum order for exporting.
Yes, yes, yes.
Excellent.
With
Ma-
minimum price, we can serve better quality.
But is it
Minimum quantity is 1,000 plants. Our
minimum is
minimum.
1,000.
Minimum quantity, okay. That's we have to calculate depend on the transportation
Okay.
because different weight of for different weight
Material.
we have to pay different type of different transportation.
Okay. So this size is for export
Yes,
already.
yes, yes, yes,
Alright.
exactly.
Oh. Oh my God! From small tissue.
Yes, these are these tissues.
They are working in lab and look.
Look.
this is small.
How many months now?
1 month.
1 month.
Yes.
All right. Oh.
Very small. Look.
It's my first time to see this. My question, mate, is if you plant this, yeah, you plant,
Yes.
and the side of this it will grow.
Yes.
Another. You have
Yes.
to cut this.
Yes,
Yes,
we have
Ah.
to cut it to grow our main plants
This is the main plant.
Yes.
Okay. To give.
to give a good yield.
Okay. So you mean you can replant? You can replant this.
No, we cannot do
No,
replant.
this will not good production.
No,
All
because
right.
there is a uneven.
Ah.
If you only take tissue culture plants, then only you will get the uniform result.
All right.
Apart from tissue culture plants, you cannot get the uniform result.
Okay.
And also this is banana season, he said. After banana is grow up, transferred to nursery, bamboo plant will come from the lab. So
Okay.
they will put it here. Look, very big then.
Yeah. Sir, you mean this month of July is banana plantation in
Yes.
Gujarat?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. For how many months before it harvest?
9 months. After 9 months, starting the fruiting in this plant.
After 9 months.
After 9 months.
Ah.
Okay. So all in all, how many months for harvest the banana?
12 months.
12 months.
12 months.
Yes, it will take 12 months for totally harvesting.
From planting
From planting to
harvest.
yielding. Yes, total
Okay,
harvesting.
12 months only.
Yeah.
So just 1 year.
Yes, just one.
Just
year.
1 year.
We can export this type also.
Like this, yeah,
Yes,
like whole.
But whenever customer facility to this greenhouse.
એટલે શું
એટલે
કહેવાય?
ગ્રીન હાઉસમાં હશે ને જો કસ્ટમર પાસે તો આ રીતે પણ પ્લાન્ટ્સ લઈ શકે.
Okay. If greenhouse is available, they can.
All right. It depends the availability.
Availability as well.
Okay.
નર્સરી હોય કોઈને ત્યાં ફોરેનમાં તો એ અવેલેબિલિટી હોય તો આ સાઈઝમાં
પણ
પણ
નર્સરીથી કરી શકો ને export?
Yes.
હા
From nursery as well, they can export
From nursery.
as well. This
Okay.
is greenhouse.
This is
We will
greenhouse.
go to
We will go
Now
to
we will go to nursery.
nursery. All right. So guys, what you can say about the new farming here of banana plantation? That's why banana is very cheap here.
Very cheap, right?
Okay, because they follow now the new way of farming. So guys, we're going to nursery section of this company. So this is the nursery section. Wow, look Shama. He's huge. No?
Huge.
Ah.
These plants are ready to harvest, to plantation.
To plant,
plant.
yeah?
Yes, to plantation.
Okay. How much is this?
આ કયો
Your
plant?
banana
your
plant.
price. Yeah,
This is
your
banana
price.
plant.
How
Yes.
much? કેટલાનો છે?
We are selling it at 14 rupees in Gujarat.
Local
Yes, in
price.
local
Gujarat,
area.
Gujarat.
Yes,
Local
in Gujarat.
price. Okay. 14 rupees.
Yes, 14 rupees per plant, per sapling.
Okay.
Wow, look how many bananas.
This is a guava plants.
Guava.
Small guava and
Yeah, look.
this plant.
It's already giving
Giving
fruit.
fruit.
Yes,
Ah.
yes.
How old is this?
This 1 year old plant.
1 year old. So this is ready to plant.
Ready to plantation.
How much is this if you don't mind?
Yeah, 40 rupees per plant.
For
Gujarat.
zero? For
For
zero?
Gujarat.
For local? Yeah?
Yes, for local.
But for the whole India is same price?
No.
Because of transportation.
transportation charge.
Yeah.
All right.
very
It's very
Different.
for
Hmm.
different state.
અને આ શું છે આવું લાંબુ?
This is the bamboo.
This is bamboo?
Yes.
Yeah. Look at from the small bottle, yeah?
Just a minute.
Oh my god, look.
From a small bottle.
This is the bamboo plants, secondary hardened bamboo plants. We can say.
So we have to plant like this?
Yes.
This is the plants that we can see from the
Yes,
bottle,
yes,
yeah?
yes. Whatever
Yeah.
you see, have seen this in bottle,
Small
these are the
bottle.
same plants.
Okay.
From that bottle,
Bottle.
It will become
take
like this.
12 months.
To become like
Become
this.
like this.
Like this?
Yes.
Ah.
12 months.
Yes, it will take 12 months.
You mean this is 12 months old?
Yes, it's 12 months old.
All
So
right.
my god, they are working very very hard.
It's
Here is a different type of crop. These
Yeah.
are the
Guava.
guava plants. Yes, these are the guava plants.
Guava.
These all are the bamboo plants.
ને આ જો possible થતું હશે ને તો
bamboo.
આજે ને આજે જ થઈ જશે.
Yes.
ચાલશે.
and you have also mango, yeah?
Yes, you have mango.
Mango is
Mango.
The mango.
mango તો મારા દાદાના
What is variety of the
It's a kesar mango. We can say Kutch
This
kesar.
one.
Kutch.
What do you like?
Yes.
Okay,
Which
so
one?
famous
Famous.
kesar.
Yes, very famous.
Okay.
All
Oh.
bamboo. Look.
Yes, these are all the bamboos.
This is ready for sale,
Yes,
yeah?
these are ready for sale.
For sale.
Yes.
Okay.
This is our banana plants. Now season is running and dispatch
It's
also.
going on.
Yeah.
Every day we are dispatching 12 to 20, 15 to 20,000 plants.
15 to
Thousand.
20,000 plus.
Yes.
Oh dear. So huge amount of money.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this is big business.
Big. but they are working. They said you have to physically and mentally present for this business. So guys, for Filipino viewers who want to import to Philippines, these guys is here, and they are my village people as well, so you can do leave comment, and Bimbo is here. This is very advanced technology and I impressed. Thank you very much for giving your wonderful time to us. Thank you very much.
So guys, this is their company from, it's near to the main road, from main road. So this is the whole company. Okay.
They have cow, their own cow as well.
Oh, they have their own cow.
They are doing cow farming as
So this is big property.
well.
Okay.
This is their swimming pool as well.
This is your
This is their weekend home.
weekend home. So guys, this is their weekend home. The owner. Oh, you can see they are rich. They have swimming pool. So this is just weekend home.
Yes.
Oh my God. Very nice, very nice way of living you have.
Because they work hard. So thank you for giving your wonderful time and sharing your knowledge to us. Hope we can share this knowledge to our viewer as well. Thank you guys for watching Bimbo Cornejo vlogs. If you want to import, you can contact us. You can leave your comment. And thank you for watching Bimbo Cornejo vlog. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.